So, you guys remember that skull spoon that I made that I'm trying to trade to get to a food truck? Well, first trade is done. Or first and second and third. Want to know what I got? Well, the first spoon, just watch the video. So first they said the spoons don't work, and I proved them wrong. Then they said that nobody would want to trade anything for a skull spoon, and I showed them again. So if you schmark the Zippo and you want to make it yours, remember, I'm trying to trade up to get to my own food truck, so the Zippo can actually be yours for free, as long as you can trade me something. Also, let me know if you want to know a little bit more about my food truck.